Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create avatar on your Zoom application to represent your face on the camera. So the first thing you have to do, open your Zoom application, and sometimes you will be in the home section or meeting section whenever you open it. And now let's jump into the more part. In this more part, you just need to go click settings here and please go into the meetings part. In this meetings part, you will gotta have an access into the several equipment of the meetings online. There will be an audio, video, and general. And now you just need to take a look on the video part and go jump into the backgrounds and effects. Just need to click it. And after that, there will be an access to the camera. And to create an avatar, you just need to go click this part and go click avatars. In this avatar section, you just need to choosing the avatars that you want to have. If you want the avatars is going to be a person, you just need to go click this plus button, and there will be a chance to you to create your own avatar. You can choose the skin that represents your skin. Okay, and whenever you're done with the skin, you can also jump into the face and just take a look the best face that represents you. You can also go into the hair to styling your hair, and you can also do with the hair color. If you have a bright color, so you can choose the best color that represents you. You can also do with the eyes. Okay, and you can also do for everything, just slide this screen into the left side until you found several options. You can also do it every part of this body. Just make sure that the avatar is represent you so well. And whenever you're done with everything, so you just need to go click save. And now whenever you are in front of this camera, so this avatar will be represents your face. So this is me who talking in front of the camera. So that's the way how to create avatar on Zoom application. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.